Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I did these really cool looking fire opal nails. So if you want to see how I achieved this fire opal stone nail look, then just keep watching. I've already glued on long stiletto tips, and now I'm just applying a thin layer of white acrylic all over the nails, and I'm keeping this layer quite thin because I still have to go in with the sheets of mylar, and then I have to encapsulate those, so I'm keeping this layer quite thin. Next, I'm going in with a nail file just to thin down the acrylic just a little bit more and to shape the sides of the nail. This is the paper that I'm going to be using. It sort of has like a bluish color that shifts to red and orange and green and pink. It shifts to so many beautiful colors. And I'm just measuring it up to my nail just to make sure it will fit the length of my nails because they are quite long, as usual. No surprise there. Before I apply the angel paper to my nails, I crinkle it up, and this will give the nails more of a fire opal stone look. Next, I'm just applying regular cheap bowl nail glue to the entire surface of the nail, and then I'll be sticking on the crinkled angel paper and just pressing it into place. So now I'm just going in with these really cool looking rainbow scissors. I love them. They're really nice and sharp and they cut through anything, and I got them for about $4 on AliExpress. So I'm just using these to cut away the excess foil. So I'm just using these to cut away the excess paper. You may be able to use like nail clippers, but I suggest using scissors. And I'm just repeating this on all of the other nails except for the middle nail. I'll be leaving that nail white, but I'll be adding some jewels and Swarovski crystals. I'm mixing together a white and clear builder gel from IBD, and I'm making a sort of a sheer white, and I'll be applying this on top of the angel paper, and this sort of tones down the intensity of the angel paper and just makes the nails look more like fire opal stones. And after the gel is all mixed up, I just apply it to my nails, apply it on top of the angel paper, and I keep the layers quite thin. You don't need to apply it too thick. And I just do it in sections. I don't add one big huge glob of gel and brush it all over the nail. I just do small amounts in different sections and brush it down until it's even. And I think I did one coat. I may have went in with 2 coats. I don't really remember. But anyway, after I'm happy with how that looks, I put my nails under a UV light for 2 minutes to fully cure the gel. Next, I'm encapsulating the nails with a clear builder gel from IBD. And I'm just going in with 99% alcohol, and I am removing the sticky layer that is left behind when I use the builder gel. I originally wanted to do all my nails with the fire opal effect, but I decided to leave that off of my middle nail, so I did file a little bit too thin, and there were some like uneven spots where the acrylic was a little bit see-through. So I'm just going in with Madame Glam Perfect White Gel Polish, and I'm applying 1 coat to my middle nail, curing it, and then I'm applying gel top coat and curing that. And then next I'll be applying a jewel, a really pretty jewel that I made, and some Swarovski crystals. Here I'm filing and shaping the fire opal nails, and then I'm also buffing the surface to make sure everything is nice and smooth. And then I'm applying a gel top coat to make the nails all glossy and pretty. the first thing I'm placing on my nail is this large fire opal stone that I made. And I made it using a silicone mold and some UV resin with some of the angel paper. So if you want to see how I made this stone, then just leave me a comment below and I'll make a video showing you how I did it. Next, I'm just applying some nail glue around the large stone and placing some white opal Swarovski crystals around it. And here's the final look for these fire opal stone nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making these nails and I really love how they turned out. So thanks so much for watching and bye!